Good morning. So, it's a freeze this morning, and it didn't look like there was snow on the ground out there, but it obviously is, I guess. But all right there, and down there, the I guess I didn't know that was snow. I'm not on the ground, but so there's gonna be emergency heating for a while. Well, a while, kind of I guess in this month. Uh, there's a little bit of snow everywhere, I guess, and this part of North Carolina, and so it's kind of not obvious to say that it was snow, like it now has, I guess, and it's pretty much like a drop of ice, a little bit. Right. Well, it's sort of like wind making noises like a ghost once this lands past, like coming to like greet me a lot. But today is sort of was still sort of fast, a little bit like a snowdrop. To me, it was. But also there's mostly a lot of like in this um not a lot of cars drive down around here. But either way, there's like mostly a lot of things this no, but that's today's blog. See that Center Prison Junior, father of mine, Sue Socials.